Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome to my channels. Myself Ujjwal Sidder is a practitioner of Google Ads, and also I am gathering knowledge about how to allocate the budget across the platform like SEO, Meta Ads, TikTok Ads, Snapchat, and overall the digital marketing area. So today I will be discussing about the very important and people most of the advertiser their confusion about the audience segmentation, which call the in-market audience and what is the affinity audience segmentations. So I'll be discussing these two things, so you will be clear from now then what is the difference between these two type of audience segmentations. So in market audience, if I say is a particular type of user audience, those who are ready to buy, their intent, they are searching the product, they are likely ready to buy, they have money, they are searching the product, they have a problems, they want the solution of the problems and they want to buy the products. They are ready to buy, ready to spend. Is let's assume maybe someone are looking for a green tea example, green tea. So maybe he is looking, he say what is the price of the green tea and what is the best brand of the green tea, how to buy green tea in online. Also in transactional keyword is a money keyword, buying intent keyword, however you say that. So the persons are ready to buy, ready to spend the money. Is he is fall into the audience, in market audience. And then on the other hand, the affinity audience segmentation is, let's assume the persons are looking for the green tea. The same type of audience maybe are um, passionate about the lifestyle, isn't it? Those who like to having a green tea, the persons can be like fall into the category, is a broader category. Can a lifestyle can be, he is following the lifestyle, he is going to gym, maybe he is a fitness lover, he is a type of foodies type of people, he is a tech enthusiast, traveler, this fashion lover. This is a broad audience, those who wants to brand awareness, those who wants to new people to acquire in your brand, to let people more people know about your brand. Is a big audience. Targeting is a broader level. People you wants to warm the people. This is a broad audience. The people will not buy the product immediate, but they will be aware about your product and service. That is called the affinity or affinity audience segmentation. So dear audience, I hope you are well understand now what is the in market audience. Is those who are ready to buy the products, you have to target and you have to spend the money on ads, and they are ready to buy and they are searching the products. Then if your ads are showing on that specific targeted to users, and they might have a more chance to buy that product, isn't it? And the broader audience that you are branding awareness, you warming the audience, and the later on you might retarget, or you might try to sell to them, and very few of them they might buy, but is a broader range of audience, especially for brand awareness, you want to warm customer, this type of things. So I hope is very clear now what is the in market audience and what is the affinity audience segmentation in the Google Ads. Thank you, stay fine. I will be talking about in further future about the AOB, average order value, and what is the formula to how to calculate the average order value, how to calculate the lifetime order value, LTD, how to figure out the cost of CPL, cost of lead, this type of term and terminologies I will be keep talking about. So subscribe my channel, please do support me. I want to grow with you guys. Thank you, stay fine. I will be touch with you in my next video. Stay fine. Assalamu alaikum.